In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block messages on Fiverr. Let's start from the very beginning so nothing is confusing. Open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr, then click the official Fiverr website from the results. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your messages. Once you're on Fiverr, look for the envelope icon at the top of the page. This is your inbox or messages. Click it, and then choose See All in Inbox. This opens the full messaging interface, which makes it easier to manage conversations. Next, find the conversation from the person you want to block. Click on that thread to open the individual messages. Inside the conversation view, look for the three dots. This is the More or Options menu for that chat. Click those three dots to reveal additional actions. From the menu, select Report. Fiverr will ask why you want to report this message. Choose the reason that best matches what's going on, whether it's spam, inappropriate content, off-platform requests, or something else that violates Fiverr's guidelines. Be as accurate as possible. This helps Fiverr handle the situation correctly and protects the community. After selecting your reason, click Next. On the following screen, you'll see an option to block the user from interacting with you. Check the box that says, Block this user from interacting with me. This is the key step that stops them from sending you new messages or reaching out again. When you're ready, click Submit to finalize. Once submitted, the report is sent to Fiverr, and the block takes effect. The person will no longer be able to contact you, and you'll keep control of your workspace. Your existing chat history will remain for your records, and any active orders you have will continue to follow Fiverr's normal processes. If the behavior was serious, Fiverr's Trust and Safety team may review the report and take additional action. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Use the See All in Inbox view if you have lots of conversations. It's easier to pick the right thread. Choose the most accurate report reason so Fiverr can respond appropriately. And remember, blocking is a protective measure. It's there to help you maintain a professional, distraction-free experience on the platform. That's it. Now you know exactly how to block messages on Fiverr from start to finish.